I have 4 children, and 2 of them have gone through JD's program. The first one started when she was a freshman, and the second one when he was in 8th grade. JD helped us set up our children for success, for getting into the schools that they wanted to get into, understanding what majors that they wanted to have, and prepared us financially about how to apply for grants and scholarships and cover as much free money that was out there as possible. And we did it with 2 of them. But we got thrown a curveball with our daughter, who after 2 years of being at Arizona State or University of Arizona, said, "This isn't for me. I'd like to try trade school." And immediately we called JD and said, "We're 2 years invested into this, and she wants to do this. We're wondering, how do we pay for this?" And he helped us understand that while our scholarships didn't transfer over that were U of A based, that's fine, our grant money did. So it paid for half of trade school, and he helped us do the FAFSA for that as well. And that's another bonus to being part of his family over at AZ College Planning, is that you can get help with your FAFSA even after your children have gotten into school. And when things come up like we had, you can get solutions that are real, and just a great sounding board, and I highly recommend it. I have a daughter in 8th grade, and we will be starting with her this year, and another son in 7th grade.